Hey everybody, today on Feathers Off-Road. Got the KTM 890 out again, weather's warming up. I'm still in search of a windscreen that actually does anything. You've seen my other videos. I've had this deflector, kind of questionably working for some time. It's really quite garbage. Found a new one on found a new one on Alibaba. Just trying out different designs and let's see how that goes. All right, so shipped straight from China, doing the unboxing. This one is a bigger. I'm gonna undo this bag. Okay, new one looks like this. So, a little bit taller. This is for my KTM is an 890 2021 model. So I've got the bracket. I know the windshield is different on the newer models, but you can see it's gonna be a little bit taller, but it's got this flare. So I'm hoping, it's not much taller than what I've got right now, but I'm hoping the flare will help. And then it's hard to tell with this plastic on, I'll show it again in a second. There's a little divot, little hole right there. And let me explain that in just a second. So I'm just gonna take, this is a T30. And if you watch some of my older videos, I do have this spacer that I 3D printed. It's a 15 degree. The new windscreen also has about that same tilt. So I'm gonna try removing that and leaving it off, but I'll keep it around in case I want that extra angle change. So I'm just gonna undo this T30. All right, inside the bracket, these are both just M4s, and I got it pretty loose already, and that's how it comes off. So this is the 3D printed 15 degree angle bracket, and I will put the new windshield there. All right, so holding it up, looks like it should go into place pretty well. However, you can see the factory, I'll move this out of the way. This factory piece is in the way. So it looks like there's another T30 right there. So I'll take both of those off. I think the lower ones can stay, this one, but these top two will need to come out. Okay, I got that screw off, and then after that, I just pulled this up. So you can see that this just has some tabs that fit in, and now that's removed. So I'll do the other side. Okay, and now it's installed. I will say, even though the KTM has a high and a low mounting point, it doesn't fit in the top. So you have to use the lower mounting point. So that's the new angle. And what I was saying before about this cut, what happens is it allows air to come in here and kind of form a bubble up and over the rider. So it kicks this in, this comes over. It's hard to show with my hands, I guess, but it'll end up creating a bubble over the rider. That's the goal. And these winglets on the side, they are deeper than the stock ones. We'll see how that goes. So let me go take a ride, see if it's any different. So I'm out riding. This shot was taken about 60 miles an hour, 96 kilometers per hour. You can definitely feel the wind coming through that cut and making a bubble up and over my helmet. I am 6 foot 3 inches, 192 centimeters. Pretty normal torso size, I'll say. Not like super long legs or super short legs. I can feel that wind hitting me right in the center of the forehead, but it's not pushing on me, it's not buffeting, it's pretty clean air. This shot's a little bit slower. I would say it was really clean feeling up until about, anywhere over 80 miles an hour, 130 kilometers per hour. We've got some pretty high speed limits once you get out there, but the further and further you push it, definitely start to feel the wind, but depending on where you live, that 60 miles an hour to 80 mile an hour, I really enjoyed this. just showed a clip of riding off-road, and the off-road is pretty good height. It's a little bit taller than the stock Adventure R off-road windscreen, but it's very clear. It never got in my way. You can see when I'm standing, you can barely even see the windscreen. So I'm definitely a lot happier with this already over the little attachment $25 eBay special that I had on there before. This is definitely keeping the air clean. So I'm gonna roll with this for a while and do a little bit longer review maybe later, but hope you enjoyed the video. Till next time, enjoy the ride.